Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to StyFit. I know it's been a real long time since I've not updated any video. I don't want to give excuse, but the reason is I am into shifting. I'll show you the mess that I'm in right now. So we're shifting to another house and it just took a month, and I had my trainings, I had my workout and a lot of things, and finally I get a chance to be here with you guys, and I'll make sure that I am not going to take such long breaks henceforth. And I hope everyone out here all are doing amazing and doing fantastic, guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed to StyFit, go and subscribe to StyFit, and if you have already subscribed to StyFit, then thank you so much. So the reason I'm here today is I've received this amazing parcel with amazing products from yeah, so this is Fasten Up. If you guys know about Fasten Up, you all will know what products they have. But if you don't know, Fasten Up is an amazing company which has supplements like vitamin C's, all the vitamin products, health related products, protein shakes, and so many more. And out of all their ranges, they've sent me 4 products. So let me go first to my best product. So since you all know I love working out, and yoga, fitness is like my core, and here they've sent me a protein shake which is plant-based protein shake. So also, if you guys are vegan, this is so amazing, and I'm going to quickly run through what are these products, what it contains in this. So as it says, it's vegan based. It has pea and brown rice protein. It has BCAA, which is going to help us to have a great endurance and help us in strengthening the muscles. It has glutamine, which is great for the recovery of the muscle. This is going to be digested easily, and it has a taste of Ghana chocolate, which is smooth, creamy in texture. So I have personally tried this, and I have literally loved the taste. It's really nice because I've been taking protein from real long time. But the only one point is that it has stevia, so I am habituated to the taste of stevia. It leaves a little bitterness in the end. So if you guys don't like stevia, this can be a little like less tasty. But if you guys know how stevia tastes, then it's a natural sweetener, which is made up of leaves. So I think this is an amazing product. And coming to the protein source, 1 scoop, which is a 45 gram servings, it has about 34 grams of protein, which is so cool. So if you guys are like vegetarian or non-vegetarian, instead of eating like 10 eggs or 5-6 eggs, you can just take 1 scoop of protein and you're done. And I'm so thankful to this product. Alright, and coming to next, so here is another product of Fasten Up, which is Active Greens. So the best part about this product is it has about 11 greens or 11 vegetables. So it happens a lot of times that we do not consume vegetables or green. I personally do, like I eat palak, methi, karela and everything, because I believe that I should eat my food like medicines instead of popping my medicine like food. And I've seen a lot of relatives doing that, so I'm like not scared, but I just want to take precautions, So but also, if you don't want to eat like full bowls of greens, you can just take this 1 scoop, which is just 7 grams. You can consume this in 200 ml of water and you are sorts. This is so cool. So I'll quickly run through what all which all vegetable this has. So it has wheatgrass powder, barley grass powder, alfalfa powder. I don't know what alfalfa is, but yeah. Then it has cranberry extracts, beetroot extract, amla extract. Wow, isn't it cool? So yeah, taste wise, it has like no taste, and smell wise it's not very good, but I think all the things that comes with health are without taste. So yeah, you have to decide, you have to make the choice. You want to go for taste or you want to go for health, and I choose health and taste when it comes to the protein shake also. Alright, so these were 2. Next I have is, ta-da! These are these Fasten Up Reload Hydration Tablets. Oh my god, this is so easy, right? Like when I'm working out or while you're working out, I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the tablet. Yeah. You just pop this in water. I'll just share with you, what is the ml water that you can have. So you just need to drop the tablet in 250 ml of water, and as you can see, it is like going to bzzz, and it's going to melt, and you can just keep sipping it while you're working out. And it has vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin B12, potassium chloride, citric acid, fructose, XYZ, and a lot of it. Wow, this is really cool. I haven't tasted this, but I'm surely going to use it during my workout. And last but not the least, they have sent me a BCAA. Woohoo! Okay, and this is again in lime and lemon flavor. So this can be used for having it during my workout, which is going to instantly increase my muscle recovery and my endurance. And I'm so excited, guys. So yes, these are the 4 products that I have received from Fasten Up, and I am so grateful and thankful to them. I've already started using the protein shake and the active greens in my day-to-day life. I'm yet to use the reload tablet and the BCAA, but I'm going to include it real soon. As soon as I shift to my new place, and I have my schedule on the point. Yes, guys, so this was it. This video of me coming to you and sharing with you guys was this haul video, you can call it. So these were the products that I received from Fasten Up. Also, if you guys are into your strength training or your fitness journey, I think you can go on Instagram, follow them, and check out their products. And if you like them, you can order the products from there. Alright, guys, so this was it, and I shall see you in the next video. Until we meet next. See you. Take care.